Teleport.
Come on, Daniel. This is up to you. Do it.
Jack.
Yeah, someone teleport me. For the love of God.
I'm trying to put my shirt back on. I took off my shirt by accident.
KKK chant.
Black people love coleslaw. It desperately needs attention.
I'm gonna teleport you.
Here, Paul's in there. He can teleport you guys.
Here, I'll get back to talking in a second.
Thank you, Baron Wamsworth.
Okay. Yeah, dude, Jesus.
What is this place?
Finger Lakes Island.
I swear to God, does someone teleport me?
I did. Oh, wait.
Black people love coleslaw.
Yeah.
There you go, Kurt.
I hope he reads this name.
Trugan, excellent question. The impact of Verizon dumping the new every 2. Yeah, it used to be you'd be able to get a new for 2 years. You can still do it. You can get a new phone anytime you want.
I am Brazil.
And you just don't, and there's still some discounts for the data plans and stuff like that. You just don't get any, discount, the extra discount of new every 2.
Okay.
Sure.
Big issue is that, well, they said
we'll
new every 2 years. They would actually let you do it in after 20
welcome
months.
Everyone.
So they were
Please
giving
find
you a bit of a discount there.
Those of you who are new to some Bytes in Second Life, we're the longest running computer show in the known universe. The folks at Finger Lakes Community College have graciously given us this area and asked that we keep the speaking down to a minimum because often there are people in other places in the island who are doing schoolwork and we don't want to take cycles away from them, I guess. So they would like us to basically, if you have a question, type it, and then Steve or I will talk and give you the answer.
So we're not allowed to use our...
Well, true, you might. There are still some discounts, and you can talk your way into a bunch of those, but yeah, basically there's not the second discount of the new every 2 policy.
Clearly, can't use our mics.
It used to be you could essentially get a double discount.
Hearing any of us talk?
Not anymore. Now it's just, whatever that one discount is that you could get.
We can't use our microphones.
No, I can't hear you talk. Anybody hearing Steve talk?
Big issue with
Steve,
the new
can
every
you hear
2.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Really? I don't hear Steve at all.
See myself
I'm
talking.
sorry, Steve. I've apparently been talking over you.
Weird.
I hear myself. Does that count?
Question about whether or not I can use my mic here.
Not to use your mics so we don't overwhelm the system.
What system are we not supposed to be overrunning?
Yes, Steve, I don't hear you at all. Wow. Yeah, I'm not hearing anybody talking at all.
there are several iPhone car adapters that plug into your what we used to call cigarette lighter, now your 12-volt accessory outlet, to let you charge your iPhone, iPod, or Android devices, pretty much any cell phone, from your car.
Directly from the battery, though. Car battery. I don't have a car. That's why I ask.
How do I get drool off of my iPhone from my baby?
Is there like any cum stains remover?
Is baby drool anything like semen?
I accidentally jacked off over my iPhone. What do I do?
That problem too. I watch porn on my iPhone, and sometimes some little residue gets on it, and I want to know how to remove it.
Nahil Infinity, these questions I want answered, so if you could please answer them. I'm interested to know the answers also.
I still need to know because my little kid's actually chewing on the iPhone right now. I was playing Angry Birds and all of a sudden the little fucker grabbed my phone and starts chewing on it. I really need to know if he's gonna be like destroying the thing if I slap on the back of the head. What? You get over here, you little fucker. Stop chewing on the iPhone. Stop it. You little fucking...
Well, you know what? Here's the deal. I would like to apologize to all the adults here in Second Life. Since Dave is not here, I think we will formally end tonight's session and let the little babies go back to playing with themselves.
I still want to know about
so thank you all for joining us. We appreciate it. And we'll see you next week.
Car battery. Okay.
So long.
I have your iPhone?
Does Dave have an iPhone? Will Dave replace my iPhone?
Dave's iPhone number? If there's any questions, you can ask me.
We're tech experts. One time I ripped a kid at Best Buy. Ask questions, you cunt grabs.
If anyone has any questions about iPhones, you can feel free to ask.
In fact, if you beat your child, it will stop chewing on your iPhone. My recommendation is to grab it by the back of the legs, like so, and then you just swing it over your head and hit it against the wall. So what we'll do here is we're going to get a little bit of torsion, and yeah, okay, let's see, and okay, that's one, that's two, that's three. The little fucker's not talking anymore.
I heard that if you hit your baby against a wall, though, it will damage your wall. Is there any way to prevent wall damage when you swing babies?
Well, I can tell you right now that my wall's getting a little bit red, but that's okay, because I'm a little bit of a Martha Stewart here, and I'm going to paint over it with a fuchsia purple. I don't think anyone's going to notice.
Hey.
Try to prime, use some primer on your wall first, so so it stays, so the red doesn't bleed out.
Oh, bullshit. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
is everybody leaving? This is just starting to get...
I'll have you know that babies do not masturbate, but you can masturbate